Hello everyone, Mr. O here, back with some more tips and tricks for your Nurikabe puzzles. Hopefully you find these to be enjoyable and not too challenging. A little bit challenged, but not too challenging. Let's begin. I got a level 2 worksheet here, and we'll try a couple of these puzzles, see how it goes. I just want to give you some, we'll do one of these together, and then I'll do some more online. Level 2, they get bigger and more challenging, so I'll give you some more tips and tricks. Sometimes these can take a while. But try them, and hopefully you enjoy doing them. So let's try to think if I can think of a good one we can do together. Well, let's just start. So this is level 2. We'll do this one in the upper right. Trying to look for one that might be more challenging for you. All right, let's try this one in the upper right. All right. So first of all, anything that is a 1, we can surround by water. Anytime you have only one space between numbers, these are some tips and tricks you can definitely shade. Remember, islands cannot touch. So this water will have to come out. We talked about this last time. If your water is trapped between two islands, this water has to come out. So 1, 2, 3. These ones will have to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because they cannot make a turn. So like this. And I'm shading these ones now. As soon as I know where these 3 are, I can shade around on each side. I mentioned this last time. If this 2 can only go left or it can only go down, then I have to shade this one. This 3 would not be allowed up, because if it goes up, it would interfere with that 2 there. All right. Notice that this water has to come out, so we shade here. And this 2 is going to go either down or right, so this one would have to be water. That would be forced to be water because, again, if the 3 were to bend and go in there, that 2 would have nowhere to go. And that would not be good. 2s need places to go too. So this 1 is a 1, so I shade on all sides. All right. Notice this water here. It will be trapped. If I put this 3 down here, notice this water would be trapped, just the 2 of them right here by itself. So this water has to come out and touch the rest of the water. So I know this is going to have to be shaded and this is going to have to be shaded because that water has to touch. So this 3 definitely goes out here. And similar to the 2s now, the last of the 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, which means this 3 cannot go to the left. It's going to have to be 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. So if this 3 here went to the left, this 3 would have nowhere to go. So that's an important distinction. This 6 goes 1, 2, at least. Maybe it goes and turns down like that. We'll see. But let's go ahead and fill around these 1s. Every time you see a 1, you could fill in all the flat sides. Okay, we could have started there, obviously, but got a little distracted by some other obviosities. All right. Now we'll notice that there's a bunch down here that cannot be reached by this 5. 5 could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot get to this corner. So I guess the only one can't be reached. All right. What else do we know? Well, this one here, this water will be trapped. If this 3 went up, this water here would be trapped. So we have to shade here. Most certainly. Most certainly do. All right, what else do we know? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This cannot be reached by anything. We'll definitely shade that. This one cannot be reached. 1, 2, 3. This one cannot be reached by anything. So if I already have 1, 2, 3 different shaded squares, this one cannot be shaded because that would be a pool, which is not allowed. So this has to be water. And then you ask yourself, well, what is it, part of the 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's definitely not part of the 6. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. So we shade here. All right. What else do we notice here? This 3 goes here. This 3 has limited options because you certainly can't go here. This 3, if this 3 were to go left, we would have issues with running into this 3. There's no way to avoid that square. And if this 3 went here, it would certainly hit that. So this has to be water. Notice this also. 1, 2, 3 shaded boxes. If I shade the 4th, that would be water. So that's a no-no. So we leave that as an open square. It has to be part of an island. Can't be this island. It has to be this 3 straight down. Which means this is shaded. And this gives us a bunch of information. 1, 2, 3. This is done. As soon as I get this 3, I could shade on all the flat sides. And then this is 1, 2, 3. Has to be. So we shade here. This is 2, 1, 2. So we shade here. And this 2 goes down. All right. So once we get all those, what else do we know? Well, we jump down here. We do our 6. What's going to help you here tremendously is what parts are touching and what are not touching. Okay, where are the waters connected and where are they disconnected? This 3 has to go 1, 2, and it cannot turn right. 1, 2. If I turned right, it would hit this 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then this 3. Notice all this water certainly needs to attach to all the other water, right? Just like this one individual water here. Can't go up, can't go left, can't go right. This one has to go down. So we know that has to go there. All right. So again, this water, if this were to connect and come out, well, we need to have room for 5. We got all kinds of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then the 3. All right, so my question is this. If this 5 went this way, the 3 would have to go 1, 2, 3. And we would have water here. And this water would all be trapped. So my point is the 5 cannot go this way. Because that would cause some water to be trapped. Notice that the 3 kind of depends on how... There is only, by the way, all of these puzzles is only one right solution, one correct solution. So it seems like it could go 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I will assure you that 1, 2, 3 is not the option. 1, 2, 3, because that would again trap all this water. So this one for sure is part of our island. So the next question is, do we shade this and put this as island? And if we did that, let's check this out. Let's just do it real quick. See how this water is all trapped right here? So we know that this is not the one that's shaded. This is the one that's island. And this is the water. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, that's done. We could shade here. 1, 2, now we got to come up with 5 here, and we got to make sure there's no pools. That's the important thing. No pools. Not allowed to have pools. And it has to touch. So if this 5 went to the bottom, if this 5 were to go all the way to the bottom, then we know that this water would never connect to the rest of the puzzle, right? So we know this has to be water in the bottom. And if that's the case, this one cannot be water because that would create a pool. So 1, 2, 3. We need only 2 more, and we need to connect this water. So how about we just connect like this? That way we still have our 5, and this water now is connected to all the rest of this water. All right. Now, if this 6 were to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right into there, this water will be trapped. So we know it doesn't go to here. And basically at this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 of these will be shaded. Okay? And my point is this. If I were to shade these 1, 2, 3, there'd be a big pool. But I'm thinking more like, how about 1, 2, 3? Does that connect here then? Oh, no, it doesn't. Let me show you what I mean. If I were to put a line here, none of these are connected. Right? So all of this water up in the top left corner would not be connected. I have to shade here for sure. That has to connect. So we got 1, 2, 3. And this can't be a pool. So that's 4. And then how about we just do 5, 6 and call this a puzzle. Now all the water is connected. All the numbers match how many are on the island. and we have ourselves a completed puzzle. Now, I'm not sure we have time for a whole nother puzzle because nobody wants to watch like a 50-minute video, but I'll show you again on the website, Nurikabe, or puzzle-nurikabe.com. This is a 10 by 10. Let's try it. Let's get you started at least on another one, just so you can see some different puzzle types. So again, I see ones. I'm gonna shade on all sides of the ones. That's a good starting spot. As soon as I see a number with when numbers only one apart, or if they're diagonal from each other, we have to shade between those. This would have to be shaded. This would have to be shaded, and so on. So are there some numbers over here that can't be reached? 1, 2, 3, definitely. Can't reach here, 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 here. So this 3 has to go down. So we know that automatically. Nothing can reach here. So we know this 2 has to go this way. Why does the 2 have to go that way? Because otherwise there'd be a pool there. So we shade here, 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 because that 2 is now finished. There looks like there was going to be a pool right here. That's no good. 2 by 2 or larger water is no good. So we know this is going to have to come down like this. 1, 2, 3. Probably here. We'll wait and see. Can something here be? Is there anything over here can't be reached? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't reach these 2. Actually, this one could be reached by this 4. So we'll have to wait and see. Nothing can reach this. All right, nothing can reach here. 1, 2, 3. Nothing can reach there. This one is going to be trapped. If this 4 were to somehow go in there, that would be trapped. So that's no good. This water does have to connect. Let's see here. 2 has to go here. So we can shade here, here, here. Nothing can reach this spot. 1, 2, 3. So that 3 is done. Okay. All right. What else? Oh, look here. This is gonna be a pool. Lots of water. So we know this has to go up like this. This one again. Another pool is going to form. If I put a water there, that's gonna be a big, huge pool, which is not allowed. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's done. Notice we gotta watch out for connections and disconnections of water. So right now, this water has to connect down here, connect there. Bunch over here that can't be reached by this 2. So those are obvious ones. So this 2 has to go to the left. So again, pools of water. You're looking for pools of water. So we put a dot there because otherwise there'd be a pool. And that is water. And now these ones cannot touch. So 1, 2, 3 from that 4. Could it go here? If it went like this, how the heck would you get that 4 in there? Can't be. So that's water. That's island. And this water, the question becomes, we over here, we over here. If this were water, that's a big pool. So we know this is going to be here. So that means we cannot reach to there. Let me show you that one more time. Since this is here, we don't have enough to get over to here also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 as far as we can go. So we connect there, hit the Dunzo button. 3 minutes 54 seconds. So ladies and gentlemen, try to beat my record there. This is a 10 by 10 normal. There are 10 by 10 hard. When you beat, which you will, when you beat the 3 minutes 54 seconds, send them in to me. Say, hey, Mr. I beat your time. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you're enjoying this Nurikabe puzzle.